welcome back to Rick's Radio Conversions. Today we have Steve's 1972 Dodge Monaco AM FM radio. That's been converted to AM FM with aux input along with 5 preamplifier outputs. And it also has a factory fader, which you can see right here. And we've incorporated the FMR wiring to also operate the fader. That's the fronts. And those are the rears. And Steve also asked us to, I think, put about a 30-inch lead to it. We probably have maybe 3 feet or so. So we should have plenty of room. It's also got this disconnect here, so you can disconnect it and kind of feed it through wherever you need it to go there. I'm sure it's not that far from the radio. But anyway, so this is the FM mode, and as you can see, the push buttons operate as they did before. Manual tuning. AM. We're getting ready for rain. And our antenna inside isn't the greatest. We're going to have to do something about that, but we had 790 earlier. Might be it there. Not that much is on it, AM anymore. Anyway, so one of the new unique features with this FMR board is it does your channel identification, which we're going to go over that in just a second here. So you'll take your volume control, and I'm doing this left-handed, so bear with me here, but
FM 90.3.
So that's 90.3. Granted, this is an FM radio, but you can kind of see that's 90, and we're kind of right in that vicinity there. So that's kind of a unique feature with that. Kind of new. Your tone operates as it did before. That's bass. Treble. And your so you have the permanent fader, which is here. Right, this is built in. Fronts, rears. Okay. And we also have the go back to null there. We also have the virtual balance, which we're going to grab the tone control and go 12 to 10 twice.
Balance adjust.
That's right. Left, right, left. So you hear that little kerplunk, that's the null position for the balance. That's how you work that. You don't have that with the fader because it's built in. So that's that. And the other new feature we have is the auto scan. So you're going to grab your tuner and go 12 to 2 twice on the dial.
Scanning for stations.
So now we're going to scan digitally up the dial and let it go a few stations. We'll let it go one more. If you like that station, grab your tuner.
Station hold.
And there you go. There you are. And what you can do is pull out your preset and set your station. And that's how it worked before. And you're going to get, along with your radio, Steve, you're going to get this little aux adapter. You won't have the USB piece to it. It'll just be a round aux piece. You can mount it underneath the dashboard or something like that. your little aux cord there. And let's see here, we'll do some of this here. Go on your device. Fast forward there. That's how your aux works. And then when you're done listening to your device, you can just hit pause. Hit pause, pull out the aux cord whatever you want to do, and you can actually this will time out in 20 seconds, go back to the last known radio station, or you can just go off and on again. And there you go. Again, thank you, Steve, for letting us do this radio for you. It's in very good shape, very accurate. Sorry it took so long again, sir. Once again, you got the homemade wiring harness for your fader. Should mount back into wherever you need to put that. Other than that, we'll be getting this out in the mail to you. If you want your radio converted just like Steve's, please contact Rick's Radio Conversion 757-716-9305. You can also find us at ricksradioconversions.com, and we're also on Facebook. Thanks. Bye for now.
Allison, teammate at Truist Bank. Hi. She was born to care, and she always had your back. You could say that. Like that time back in the mid-'80s when she spotted see our featured pets and your side had my heart shown in.